Hey y'all, it's Jazz, better known as Cookie Daniels, and I am back for part 3 of 30 content ideas that you can use on your social media to make yourself sales, position yourself as the expert, and to get your page where it needs to be. Without further ado, we're going to jump right in, but if you did not see parts 1 and 2, definitely check those out. Write them all down, so let's jump right into number 30, wait, number 30 or 31, wait. 21. Okay, 21. Hey, y'all like 21 Savage? I like 21 Savage. I was getting ready to 21. But we not finna go into rappers right now. And y'all not about to argue me down in these comments. And he be doing his big one for real. All right, so jumping right in at number 21 is posting the customer using your service. I own a dance studio, so what would I post? I will post a video of my customers taking the dance classes. If you are a hairstylist, you could post videos of maybe your customer went to Tulum with some braids you did. Post her up, having at it with them braids on her head. Post your customer utilizing your services, whether they're opening the box, whether they're eating whatever it is you had made and you're a caterer. Let's post it up so people can see other people are supporting you, that you're real, that you're legit, and that your services are good, all right? Number 32, you are going to post knowledge about your subject or service or product. I can sit and do a video talking about the origin of dance, where twerking came from, why we should have self-esteem. What that does is position me as an expert. You could talk about somebody who's dealing with alopecia and some of the different hairstyles they can take advantage of. Share knowledge about your product, your service, or yourself as an expert in your field so people can know to trust you. Okay. Number 33, share a blog post that you wrote. If you are a blog writer or somebody writes your blog post for you and they put them on your website, blog posts are usually educational and they are usually things that are explaining or defining a product or service or something that's going on. If you have a blog post, you can share a clip of it on your social media. You can share the whole thing, but share that blog post. Again, is going to position you as what? The expert. We are jumping into number 24, which is simple and easy. You are going to share a testimonial from a client, a review, whatever you have. It's so many ways to do this. Or say you're a business consultant and you want to share how somebody said that they had a really, really good call with you, or you were their mentor. And like if you want to be my mentor, because y'all know I got mentorships. Free plug. If you are looking to start a business and you don't know what you're doing, you don't know the order, I have a mentorship and I can help you from the beginning. That link is in the bio, but you need social proof. You need social proof, and you need people to understand that other people have worked with you and you did what you said you're going to do. Doing what you say you're going to do is something so important for consumers to decide that they're going to make a purchase. So if you have reviews and testimonials on your page, you are doing what you are supposed to be doing. Number 25, you are going to give your audience a discount code or a coupon. You're going to do a post and you can just sit and talk like this. Like here, I do one, for example. Hey guys, I'm so glad that I finally hit 1,000 followers on Instagram. Just for that, we are doing a $10 off discount on all products on the site, all services on the site. The code is this, and I hope to see you guys. I hope you guys make some purchases, blah, 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 blah. That was just like an example. You could do these things when you hit milestones, when there are certain holidays, or you're just in a good mood. Definitely want to give back to the people that are following us, and we want them to stay engaged with our page so that you don't get lost in the sauce with Instagram doing all the algorithm changes. 1 minute somebody see you, 1 minute you're gone. Ghostbusters. All right, we are jumping into number 26. You are going to repurpose some old content, something that did really well or something that didn't do really well that you feel in the bottom of your heart that that's a viral post and it just didn't do what it was supposed to do the first time. Maybe you put it up on the wrong day, wrong time, whatever, but we are repurposing content for number 26. Put it up again, put it up again, put it. Now don't do this all the time. Don't be overly repurposing old content because people are going to get blue. People are going to be tired. All right, for number 27, you are going to jump on a trending challenge that's going on. So usually it's like a trending sound on social media or it's a trending challenge. The challenge could be a dance or it could be some steps to do something, or there's just a song that's going and everybody's doing the same thing. Something that's looping, something that's trendy. You just go ahead and join into the trend. There was a certain music artist and the trend was stemming from one of their songs. They may repost you. And all the trends and challenges are not dances, guys. Now, 2020, when the pandemic hit, everything was dancing. I feel about that. But my point is that everything is not a dance. So jump on whatever trendy challenge is going on, and that is your next piece of content. Our next point is for you to share content from somebody else. I want you to share a piece of content, even if you just shared it in your stories because you don't want it on your homepage, from somebody that is giving some reputable and valuable advice in your field. It shows that you are okay with sharing another creator's stuff and giving them some light, that you're okay with your gifts, that you know that God is going to provide for you regardless. So it's okay that you share their stuff. Like, we want everybody to eat. And if you were tired that day or you didn't feel like putting nothing up and they're in your industry, save you time. It's going to create a relationship between you and the person that you shared it with. And it's going to show that you have no problem making sure somebody else eat. And when you let somebody else eat, God gonna take care of you, so you don't even have to worry about it, okay? So we are almost at the end of this video, so I hope y'all are jotting these things down. And these are action-ready ideas you can use. No sitting on them. When you're done with this video, immediately go to your page and implement one of these ideas so you can get your page popping, all right? So we're going to move on to number 29. If I'm correct, if I'm wrong, it's too bad. By the time you check me, the video would already been on YouTube. Number 28, you are going to post a win. W-I-N. Did you get awarded for something lately? Did you feel like you prayed about something and it finally came into fruition? Did you set a certain goal for your business and you hit that number, or you hit that goal? We want to focus on the things we want to happen. We don't want to focus on the things we don't want to happen. So share yourself a win. And then that kind of squeezes us into number 29, which is for you to share a loss. Now, you don't have to dive into your business and let people know, that you lost your car, that they came and sold your car. We ain't got to do all that. But I mean, if you want to do that and be transparent, go ahead. But you could just share a small loss just to let people know that you're a real person, just to let people know that things happen in business. Maybe some customers may feel sorry for you when they see that you posted a loss. Somebody might leave you a tip. They may go order something from your site. But transparency leads to dollars. It really does. So if you're comfortable with sharing a big loss, share one. If you're not, share a little one. We don't have to put ourselves out there because the world can be cruel. Don't forget the link in my bio. I have a free content calendar for you. 30 days of content ideas for you as a business owner so that you can take your page to the next level, position yourself as the expert, and make your first 6 figures. And I'm taking the guesswork out. Why would you even have to, sit around thinking about what to post? Between these videos, part 1, part 2, and part 3, and my content calendar, you are set, honey. All right, number 30. You are going to share yourself outside of your business element. That's right. Go to the zoo and record it. You at restaurant. Girl, you at a restaurant, share it. You out with your family, you don't mind sharing your mother or your father's to social media, go ahead. It's just one post. Some people are like, no, I want to keep my page strictly business. People don't need to know my kids. People don't need to know my parents. That's fine. Because you don't have to dive into your family per se. You can if you want to. I was just giving an example. But if you are, out ice skating or you're taking yourself to the movies, record yourself out of your business element just so people can have a better understanding of things you like and they can relate to you. People purchase from people that they like, adore, admire. They purchase things that they're selling. People are never buying just the product. I mean, a lot of times people are buying a product, but that's more like if you're walking into a store. Like if I go into Target and I want these sheets, I'm not Googling, what Swedish person made these sheets. And I'm like, oh, I really like them. I'm getting these sheets. I'm getting the sheets because they're right there in front of my face. But when it comes to social media and content creation and these intimate conversations and these intimate moments we make through having these social profiles and talking to one another, everything like that, people buy from the person that they can relate to. So just share a little bit of your personal life or something that you're doing non-business related, all right? So we've come to a close, part 1, part 2, and part 3 of 30 content ideas that you can use to win on social media. I appreciate you guys for sticking around with me. And if you need any other business tips, check out my page. It's other stuff on here. Have yourself a time. Share my page. Put it on your social media. I'm rocking with y'all as long as y'all rocking with me, okay? Thank y'all for checking out my page as always. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.